today's episodes, I'm gonna be introduce one of the fundamental tools editing your photos in SNAPSEED. It's called curves. And for those of you who are just beginning in photo editing, these tools will make huge in one of your images. Curves can be used to lighten or darken any part of your image, and they can be used for color correction as well. Let's get into SNAPSEED app and show you a simple example of how you can change an image dramatically with just a couple curves edit. Okay there, and our curves dialog basically has the information of our image. This is called the histogram, with your dark information being on the left and your light information being on the right. Now, if you take this center point and simply drag up, you're going to lighten your whole image. If you drag this down, you're going to darken your entire image. Adjusting your lights and darks is one of the basic principles of curves. Okay, let's adjust the lights and darks. If you look at your curve, you'll notice it resembles an S shape. This S curve is probably one of the most common ways for you to create contrast with curves. You can also use curves to adjust your colors. Let's start by creating another curves adjustment. And this time, in our little lower portion window here, we're going to click and you can see we have the option to change our reds, greens, and blues. And for instance, let's go to our red channel. If I click here in the middle and drag that up, you're going to see it going to add more red into my image. And if I go down, it's going to add the opposite color, which is cyan. So red and cyan are both available in the red channel. Green channel is going to be green and magenta. And our blue channel is going to be blues and yellows. So let's say we want to make this image just a little bit add yellow. Now if you go too far down, it's not going to look realistic. But we're just going to go down just a little bit. It's going to add some yellows, and then we're going to go to our red channel, and I'm going to drag this up a little bit, which is going to add some red. Red and yellow intersect to make orange. So let's go ahead and turn that off and on, and you can see we warm our image up in a really nice way. An additional bonus included in curves under SNAPSEED is the luminance. Luminance is the brightness or darkness of the color. Let's go ahead and take a look at our before and after. Here's our before and the after. So you can see curves are incredibly powerful and easy to use. And if you're ever not sure where to start with your photo editing, curves are a great place to start. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you enjoyed, give us a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button.